I'm Eve Overland, celebrity personal trainer. Welcome to strength training for your core. All you're gonna need today is your body and a light to medium set of dumbbells. Let's get started. We're gonna do each exercise about 30 seconds apiece. So what I want you to do is grab one dumbbell right now, and we're gonna start with dumbbell halos. We're gonna bring the dumbbell up to our shoulders, and you're gonna reach around your head, and then opposite side. Are you ready? Let's set it at 3, 2, 1. Dumbbell halos. You might have seen this as a shoulder exercise, but to keep everything nice and square, your core is very much engaged as well. Beautiful work. Bring it right to the center. All the way around to the center. Keeping everything nice and square. Abs engaged, shoulders back. Big halo around your head. You can also use a medicine ball or a kettlebell as well. Beautiful. Let's do a couple more. Right and left and time. Next exercise, we're doing a renegade row. So you're gonna grab the other dumbbell and we're gonna set it up in plank position on the floor. So grab that dumbbell and we're gonna put both on the floor in plank position. Shoulders over elbows, over wrists. I'm gonna start on my knees. We're gonna draw the dumbbell right to our rib cage and put it down, keeping both hips square to the floor. Are you ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, row and back down. You could also do this without any weight at all, but this is an anti-rotational exercise. So your goal is to keep your core so tight that we don't rock and roll our hips. Row and resist. This is also good for your back as well. I will demo. The next progression is on your toes. Yes, so see how my hips are square to the floor, solid foundation. If you feel that you're going side to side, just widen your stance. Give yourself a little bit more stability. Keep going, 10 seconds. Row, beautiful. 9, 8, 7, push and pull. Draw out of your shoulder head right to your rib. 4, 3, 2, hip square, and 1. And time. Put the dumbbells down. We have side plank hip drops. Set it up with me. Forearm plank, knee down. You're gonna come up to a modified side plank and our hips drop up and down. I will give you the option for both feet. Here we go. Set it up. 3, 2, 1. Drop down and up. Full range of motion. Side plank hip drops. If that is too easy for you, regular plank, hips up and down. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. Think about a string pulling that hip up towards the ceiling. Full range of motion. You have 8, 7, 6, beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it at the top. Perfect plank. And time. Awesome. Roll it over on your back. Leg drops with a knee tuck in. My legs are straight up a wall. You're gonna drop your legs and then curl them in. Here we go, 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Drop your legs down, knee tuck them up. Beautiful, low abs. Keep a neutral spine. Drop them down, good control. Knee up and down. Working that core, working your breath. Beautiful, 8 seconds. You got it. Chin off your chest. Nice control, beautiful. You got this. Excellent work. 5, 4, couple more. 3, 2, and 1. Roll it over. We have that other side for side plank. Shoulder over your elbow. Modified side plank hip drops. I'll give you the option to take it up a level. Here we go. Drop down and up. Working that core. Side plank is very challenging. I want you to pull up out of your shoulder. Yes? I don't want anyone pushing down. Think about pushing the mat away with your elbow. Here is the level up. Beautiful side plank. Drop down and up. Good control. Pull up to the ceiling. Yes, yes, yes. 10 seconds. Nice. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Beautiful. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome work. Back on your back. A crunch with a knee tuck. Again, a different variation. Elbows out wide, regular crunch, and then knee to elbow. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, crunch up and then knees to elbows. So you get a little bit of a reverse crunch and a regular crunch. Lower abs, upper abs, crunch up. And knees into your elbows. Think about going up at a diagonal, knee to the ceiling. Beautiful. Chin off your chest. Wide shoulders, 8 seconds. Nice. Crunch up and down, full range of motion. Beautiful. You have 5, 4, almost there, 3, 2, and crunch up and time. Excellent. Grab one dumbbell. We're almost there. Working our core nice and strong. We're gonna do another variation of a Russian twist. We're gonna row that boat. So shoulders down and back, elbows down. We're gonna use that dumbbell as if we're kayaking, actually. You ready? 3, 2, 1, let's kayak. Row your boat. Beautiful. You can have your feet off the floor, but I like to dig my heels in so I can lean back. We're getting our core. Also extra credit arm work. Big row. We can feel it. We're working our obliques. We're twisting right to left with control. 15 seconds. We are almost there. Couple more exercises and your core should feel it. Nice and strong all the way through. 8, 7, yes, 6, 5, beautiful, 4, 3, 2, and we are ashore. Put the dumbbell down.